So, hi, this is David Steele from Sneeze It. You know, we're at our location of our new offices. That's why all the construction is going on. Over the course of the next few weeks, hopefully you're going to see some changes around here that's going to make it look fantastic. We decided to do a video blog, and the video blog moving forward will kind of give some insight to some of the new things going on. The first thing we want to handle today is kind of talk about the YouTube chat. And we had a couple questions from customers that talks about why did YouTube start inventing like this chat feature that allows you to chat. And it's almost like a direct competition to what Snapchat is doing, and everybody's kind of trying to find their way with some additional features. You know, the goal is for Google, obviously, is their competition is Instagram and Facebook, and they tried it with Google Plus and they failed, but they're trying to do a whole bunch of other things. Chat is just another tool they're going to use with YouTube, which is owned by Google, to kind of help, you know, facilitate another means of communication to keep somebody out of another piece of software. And ultimately that's what it is, right? Everybody's vying for eyeballs of everybody else and trying to figure out what's going to work best. So at the end of the day, is the chat feature going to work? Well, from what it worked previously with Google Plus, probably not, but they're trying all types of new technology to try to get users to be more engaged. And we'll see where it kind of goes out. But at the end of the day, we're not going to be investing our clients' money in kind of marketing through social media for YouTube, because we're not finding that to be a viable place for them to actually have lead generation. For branding, it works great. Lead generation, maybe not so great. So now, we're not going to go with YouTube chat features. So we'll see what happens from there.